Hello everyone. So let's start solving today's Leetcode daily challenge question. So the question is find the prefix common array of two arrays. So you are given two zero indexed integer permutations A and B of length n. Okay. Which are permutations of A and B of length n? A prefix common array of A and B is an array C such that C of I is equal to count of numbers that are present at or before the index I in both A and B. Okay. So return the prefix common array of A and B, a sequence of n. Okay, this is just a permutation definition. And also it is given that 1 to n. Okay, exactly once. Okay, so we are given two arrays and we have to find out, let's say, till that index, okay, till that index, how many common numbers are present in A and B. So let's say if I select this index, how many common elements are present? Let's say I'll take this example. At index 1, I mean 0. How many common are there? What are the elements 1, comma 3? Are they common? No. No. At index 1. So from the beginning, how many elements are there? Okay, these are just two things. Now here, what are the what elements are there? Is 1 and 3, and here 3 and 1. So you can say two elements are there which are common. Okay. So here we will place 2 and here 1. Okay. Now at I is equal to 2, we have 1, 3, 2. That means before this I, okay, and including. And here we have 3, 1 and 2. So how many are common? 3 are common. At I is equal to 3, 1, 3, 2, 4, comma. Here it will be 3, 1, 2, 4. So how many are common? 4. Okay. So this is what we have to find. Here you can see the here it is 0, 0, 2, 3 and 4. So this is our answer. Here you can see. And for this also if we see at index 0, here it is 2, here it is 3. So no common. At index 1, okay, we have 2, 3 and 3, 1. So only 3 is a common, so 1. At index 2, we have 2, 3, 1, here 3, 1, 2, that means 3. Okay, so this is a question. So brute force, or you can say like brute force approach will be you will be at that I, then you will use two loops to iterate from this. Let's say we are here. So okay, we are here. So till that you will use two loops. One is one will here and one will here. You can use a make use of map and check if how many are common and all. Okay, but that will be a little complex. That is a brute force, of course. So here I'll be explaining a simple approach which we can use is a frequency count. Okay, so let's say we maintain a frequency count. Okay, so till that let's say initially our frequency count is 0. When I am at this position, okay, I will as I explained in the previous video, we can make use of hash. Okay, hash array to what, to count the frequency. I have explained for the characters also, here numbers also, because we know uh, 1 to n are there. Okay, in our array only 1 to n will be there, so our size will be n plus 1. Okay, and also it is given exactly once will be there in each. So if we got 2, So let's say here I have 1 and 3. So I will write 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0. So let's say I have 1 and 3. So I'll increment me 1 and 3. Okay. Now in the next we have next index, at next index we have 3 and 1. So 3 I'll increment, I'll get 2, and one element increment I'll get 2. So how many common are there? If I get 2, that means they are in both the arrays. So after incrementing I will check. Okay. At I is equal to 0 we didn't get anything because both were 1. At I is equal to 1 I got this 2, right? So 2 are there. At I is equal to 2, so if we go here we have 2 and 2. I'll increment this 1 and again 1, 2. Okay, so I'll get 3. Okay, and I is equal to 3. We have 4 and 4 will increment this 1 and 2. So we have 4. So this way we got our answer. So frequency count, this is basically we will use this hash array. Okay. And when we will get this okay, this element, we are incrementing this. After incrementing, I will check if it is a 2. If it is 2, that means it is common after incrementing. So I will use this frequency count only one, or we can say we can just use a count. Okay, count. I will count from the beginning. So here I will get 2. Okay, let's say I have 2 in the count. And after that at index 2, we only incremented the index 2. Okay, so this. So in the first, for the first, we incremented, then we got 1. And after the second, we incremented, we got 2. So that time I will increment my count. So that means I got 3. Okay, so let's solve this question. Is what we want. We want one hash, new int. What will be the size? N plus 1. Let's say int n is equal to a dot length n plus 1, and now int I want a count which is 0 for for int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Okay, if before only will increment hash of a of I if it is equal to 2 after incrementing. So this is what we are doing. Okay, after incrementing, if it is 2, then I will increment my count. If plus plus hash of b of I equal to 2, then count plus plus. Okay, and at the end, okay, we need one int answer which we have to return, right? Yeah, this we have to return. So till that index it will be answer of I is equal to count, and at the end we will return our answer. Yeah, you can say accepted. Let's submit this. Or instead of this hash array, okay, so you can see our solution got accepted. Instead of this hash, okay, int hash, so can we use boolean? So if I make this as a boolean, let's say, instead of checking 2, 2 means 1 can be, okay, 2 is like both the times we are checking. So in the first time if I make it true, okay, and then in the second time if I check if it is true, then we also can increment this. So if what we can do, if it is true then increment the count, else make this true. Same thing here. Okay, so you can make use of boolean array instead of the integer. Okay, so in this way I have explained the solution of this question using the simple approach, okay, using the hash concept. And if you feel this video is helpful to you, please like this video, subscribe my channel, stay updated. Thank you so much.